BS7671 Amendment 4 introduces new guidance on power over Ethernet, a technology that's becoming essential in modern installations. Why does this matter? PoE allows both data and electrical power to be delivered over the same cable, powering devices like cameras, access points and smart sensors without separate wiring. But as power levels increase, so do the safety considerations. Heat build-up, cable ratings and installation practices all need to be managed correctly. This guidance helps electricians design and install PoE systems safely and efficiently, keeping pace with the growing demand for connected technology. Want the full details? Pre-order your copy today at theiet.org/gettheregs before the release date of April 15th, 2026.